Hi, and welcome back to Fella's Farm Homestead. This week we had a few issues with the ducks. As you can see, we had a duck stuck on the ice. We had to gently pry it off with warm water and a little bit of pulling. Luckily, it only lost a couple feathers and it was fine otherwise. We also had an electrical fire. As you can see, the plugs melted and caught on fire. Luckily, my husband was outside and he caught it and put it out. This was caused by the heater in their pond. This is the finished French onion soup after it is canned. I have a lot of canned items downstairs. We also have a freezer full of meat, several freezers full of meat, and we have a lot of stuff prepared for the storm. I always like to keep extra food in the house no matter what. We can also use our grill and our Blackstone if electricity goes out. We also have water here in case our electricity goes out and we can't use our well pump to flush toilets and whatever we need it for. We also got bottles of water to drink and to use for cooking. Fella's Farm Homestead. Today is the day we're getting the blizzard. We have about 6 to 8 inches so far. My husband is plowing the driveway. We fed all the animals, made sure they had extra straw and hay again this morning. We also have the generator ready to go, filled with gas, and we have extra gas for that. We have extra gas or extra diesel for our tractor for plowing because we're probably going to be plowing multiple times today. Maddox is doing well. He's all snowy, but he's very warm, and he's got a barn full of straw, and he has hay in there too with him. The duckies are doing well. We had to put another bulb in their pen because the one in there actually broke off, so we had to get another bulb. We put extra straw in there for them too, so they are nice and warm. The animals up top, we put extra straw with them, gave them water, gave them food, so they are all ready. We have extra straw, we have extra hay for all the animals. The free-range chickens have been hanging out in here, as you can see. This is where they've been sleeping at night to stay warm. The sheep are doing well. They have hay that they're eating right now, and we put extra straw in their pen, but for some reason the geese and the chickens want to stay outside, but they do go in at night. Hi, Clyde. So I'm gonna do some more shoveling here.
We got fresh snow and we're just going to add in evaporated milk. And we're just going to slowly fold it.
It's actually sweetened condensed milk.
Oh, sweetened condensed milk. Anyway, it's going to turn it into like a sticky, don't lick it, thing. It's going to, some of it's falling out.
And so they're adding a can of sweetened condensed milk, and then they'll add some vanilla, and then they can have some toppings of their choice. We have chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, sprinkles, Martino cherries, and some semi-sweet chocolate chips. It is a very fun thing to do when it snows that you can make ice cream out of it. I am going to blow the snow out of our back porch. It is blowing in and making a mess, so I'm going to work on that. My husband is plowing again. We got about 6 more inches in about 2 to 3 hours after he plowed the first time, so we have a total of about a foot, a little more than a foot. We are still doing snow removal. The girls are sledding down our hill. I blew a path up to the animals up on the hill. That way it was easier to get up to them because, like I said, we have over a foot now of snow and it just keeps coming down. Thanks for watching.